In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Binance USDT on P2p. Once you've logged into your Binance account, launch your application and at the top left, click on the menu icon. Under Recommend, click on P2p. And at the top right, you're just going to change your currency to whatever local currency you're using wherever you are. And right here, you're just going to change to the cryptocurrency you're trying to buy. For our case, is USDT, so we're going to maintain USDT. And also make sure you are on the buy tab and not on the sell tab. So what you're going to do next is that you're going to scroll through these options. From the list of advertisers here, you're going to select one that is verified and has a rate that is suitable to you. And then you're just going to go ahead and click on buy. So since our currency we entered was euros, you can enter the amount of USDT you're trying to buy by euros, or you can still enter by USDT. So let's enter, for example, 100 euros. And you can see the corresponding amount of USDT we are going to receive right here, which is 115.29 USDT. When you're done doing that, just select your payment method. You are going to have various payment methods here that are offered by the advertiser. So we're just going to go ahead and maintain this bank transfer method. You're going to see the advertiser's requirements right here, and you're just going to read them. If you're okay with them, click on I agree on the advertiser's terms, and then click on place order, and then you're going to be able to purchase some USDT through P2p.